Stages.
Woo!
Thank you, Lord. Ah, always ko naman sinasabi, sobrang happy and proud sa team and I know or we know naman talaga na pinaghihirapan din lahat nung nagiging result ngayon. So, yun lang.
Thank you, Coach. And for Katie, this was a 5-set game, but you really powered the offense for Signal as well. Just what can you say about how the entire team performed against the entire team performed well. um, I feel like we had a slower start, or maybe the start, not necessarily, but like the second set, the third set. There were some misconnections, miscommunications, and then we started panicking a little bit, but we were able to come all together. As always, I have to say the team helped me a lot. I was able to come out of whatever was happening in my head, and we were able to come together and finish the match like we did. And I'm super grateful for that, and it just felt really awesome. And for Jessa,
Yes.
9 points in the secret of that yung contributions for you crucial for Signal, especially in the last bit. Ano mas maganda naman sa isip
Siguro, parang nung time na yun na pinasok ako ni coach, parang sabi ko, tapangan ko lang. Kasi syempre kinakabahan din naman ako. Pero parang nakita ko yung tiwala ng mga coaches and teammates sa akin. Kaya sabi ko, ilaro ko na lang yung kaya kong laruin. Yan ang
Coach, sa tingin nyo lang ano yung nag-factor? Kasi 5 of the last 6 games, nakuha niyo yung panalo. Ito, maganda pa yung positioning pagdating ng quarterfinals.
Anong,
Ano yung nakita niyo yung nag-factor? Kaya panalo yung 5 of the last 6 games.
I think siguro yung mga past experiences namin, especially kapag nakaka-encounter kami ng yun, yung pagkatalo, siguro yung naging mindset din namin going to second round na kailangan trabahuin talaga namin and pag-ingatan talaga kung ano yung mga kailangan namin gawin. And siguro yung kagustuhan or willingness din ng buong team, ng mga players namin dahil nakita ko naman sa training na all out naman sila lagi. Hindi ganun ka-consistent but alam mo yun, yung kumbaga nasusunod naman kung ano yung mga game plan and at the same time, yun, mas nagiging productive yung nangyayari kasi pagdating ng game, mas nag-all out sila.
heading into this week, where are you aware that you guys defending champion, one of the European champions here in the I was aware they are defending champions, but I don't think that made any difference for me or for the team. We're talking how we beat Zeus, who was undefeated until we played them. And I think even Akari, like after those 2 matches, I felt like we could beat anybody. And we proved it again tonight. Like all those teams are really, really good teams. And we just played together and played stronger, and we were able to win.
Yung signal natin parang magagaling is 5 years. So tonight, it's a chance na nakuha mo. Ano lang yung tayo yung kasama ko sa isa mga
siguro po sobrang tumas po yung kumpiyansa ko na parang na-realize ko na kaya ko pala may malaki pala ako na wait lang ngayon po, tumaas na po kumpiyansa ko at hindi po ako titigil hanggat masobrahan pa po.
Improve pa.
Mag-improve pa po. Thank you, coach.
kaya po siya. Sa mga labo ng sa freelance, karamihan doon yung mga 5-6 games sa dulo. Kung ay ito yung gusto ko kaya sa laging kayo pagkakilasa sa Finland po, ngayon yung tayo.
I think yung sinabi ko kanina, siguro yung kagustuhan talagang manalo ng team. And then yung focus din. Medyo struggle din kami nung second and third set. Mahabol pero siyempre ang layo na ng lamang. So, think, good thing kasi yung makarecover kami ng fourth set and fifth set. So, I think malaking factor ngayon yung mga past experiences namin. Kung gaano namin tinatanggap yung lahat ng challenges, yung pag-accept lang din sa mga, especially yung mga pagkatalo namin na hopefully or magawa talaga namin na mag-iba yung result. So, I think isa to sa guro yung result do sa lahat ng pinaghirapan namin. And mas magiging eager pa kami and inspired para mas mag-improve yung buong team.
After the start and nasa 56 kayo sa study, what does this say natin about yung sa kumbaga yung tama na nakikita yung throughout this conference?
Sobrang happy, yun nga. And then nakaka-proud yung team dahil, like Jessa din, kapag kailangan talagang nag-step up and hindi dahil, kumbaga, na maganda lang yung game niya today. Kasi everyday talaga pino-workout niya. And siguro, siyempre, ang laki ng impact sa amin ni Katie. But, I think, hindi pa rin enough kung anong meron ngayon. But, for sure, mag-work hard pa siya and magkakaroon pa kami ng mas malaking plano going to the quarterfinals. And, hopefully, mas makapag-perform pa kami ng mas.
Coach, gano'n lang ang tingin na coach mo makakailan yung katawan sa
Siyempre, yung panalo na to, sobrang malaking impact para sa amin. And babaunin namin to going to quarterfinals. But hindi namin kailangan madaliin. Puro meron kaming ilang days pa para mag-prepare. So, for now, celebrate talaga namin yung panalo namin dahil sobrang happy kami dito sa nakuha namin panalo and mas magpupursige pa kami para mas maging okay. Thank you.